Usually when editing a document, the text is input horizontally from left to right by default. In the following video, we'll teach you how to change the direction of the text. First, select the text that needs to be changed, and click the Text Direction drop-down button in the Page Layout tab. Here we can see 6 styles in the list. 1. Horizontal text box. This is the default text direction in WPS Writer. 2. Vertical from right to left. At this time, the text is vertical and aligned to the right. Also, the text can be input from right to left now. 3. Vertical from left to right. The text is vertical and aligned to the left. Also, the text can be input from left to right now. 4. Rotate all text 90 degrees. All text is rotated 90 degrees clockwise and is now vertical. This effect is consistent with vertical from right to left. 5. Rotate all text 270 degrees. All text is rotated 270 degrees clockwise and is now vertical. Now the text can be input from left to right. 6. Rotate Asian characters 270 degrees. This style can only be used for Chinese fonts. English fonts won't be affected by it. They will remain in horizontal orientation. Click Text Direction options in the list. The 6 styles in the pop-up dialog box are exactly the styles introduced above. The only difference is that we can preview the effect of the changes in Preview.